they watching the dogs because they scared. They scared. Yeah, scary. You got Ice. Why you was turning like that? Ice is turning funny. Ooh, look at you, ugly. Ice meeting dog. I mean, they both meeting new puppies. I mean, new dogs. Do you like them? Aww.
They think maybe about 5. Okay.
I see what you think.
He's been awesome. Oh yeah, mine's fine.
Icy better move. They probably gonna fight, girl.
You ain't even hiding that good. You scared. Why you scared?
I never started off with the puppy that small. What's that? I never started off with the puppy that small. Yeah. Yeah, me
I
neither.
had a litter. I got their parents. The daddy
okay,
a
okay,
and
okay.
mama a pit bull.
Okay. That explains it.
That was funny. Ice, you smell other dogs pee?
Wrong way. This way.
Why you acting like that? Go
Look
play.
at oh shit!
Boy, no.
Say what?
Say it like, yeah, nah, I'm out.
He was
No. No. Get that boy, no.
I
No,
think
boy.
I got that on camera. And now you want to sit.
No, my sister's dog does the same thing. If a dog comes up to it and tries to sniff its butt, it'll sit down like that if it doesn't want to be on. Yeah.
Oh. Sensei, you knew what was going on.
No boy.
Oh, Cody had to go on
Boy.
the leash.
No boy.
That's my booty,
No.
boy. That's my booty.
No boy.
That's my booty.
Come on. No boy.
Come here, Icy.
Boy. No. No. No boy.
You scared? You don't want to play with nobody?
What the fuck? Oh.
7.5 weeks.
Boy.
That's his name?
Yes. Yeah, when I got him, that's what was already named boy.
Oh, no. Oh, look, y'all. No, Baba, you're not getting. Yo, you not.
Boy, no. Keep doing that, boy. No.
You not, Mama.
No boy. I don't doesn't bark that much anymore.
Look at him say.
I got him. No boy. Hey.
Cause they steady trying to get raped. Run, Ice! Run!
Go. No boy.
You sit down every time.
What was that? A leaf?
You know what's going on.
Uh-huh.
You sit down.
That's the only thing they can do is to fight back. You know? Boy, no. No.
Ice, you better move. Stop licking it.
Stop looking at that.
No.